let's talk about an interesting topic, which is quality assurance, more engineers, also known as QA engineers. And it's a very interesting topic because today we live in a world that is changing so much, and some companies, they even don't have QA engineers more in the company, and some they still have the QA engineers here, but the role of QA engineers are changing. Of course, you still have companies where the manual approach is still there. You have your testing scenarios and all your smoke tests and manual tests that you have, but the focus is changing to automation. And sometimes software engineers, they need to also build those automations. So you need to be very strong on behavior-driven design and unit tests, functional tests, smoke tests, all kind of tests that you have. But most important one is also about security. Some QA engineers, they are also working on security of the applications, and some companies where security are very important, mainly fintechs, they also look for QA engineers who have a strong focus on security. So yes, you can try to play and hijack some websites around to test and also learn a lot on top of that. I will put some links and references of engineers that I know here in Berlin, and they have like blog posts and talk about that. So as I said, it's an interesting topic. I believe that personally that QA engineers, they have their space, but I also think that QA engineers should not only be focused on tools itself. They need to think a little bit more in the product as a whole, touching topics like security, also customer, and why not also playing as back-end engineers or even front-end engineers if needed. So yeah, that's my opinion about QA engineers and also how the market is working here in Berlin. Thank you.